Hi, my name is Cliff Turner with Phoenix Inks. Today we're here in the Faba studio and want to give you a few tips and tricks. For me personally, when I do some airbrush tattoos or even body painting, I typically work with alcohol-based makeup with my airbrushes. So instead of sitting on your job and cleaning out all your airbrushes so the alcohol base doesn't freeze up in there, it'll also work with water-based also, cleaning out the blast caps so they don't make a mess. I always unscrew my airbrush from my bottle, and I actually have one of these lock and lock Tupperware containers. I put a little dish sponge right here in the bottom to cushion it, and I put all my airbrushes in, nozzle down, and then I fill it up with a little bit of alcohol just to cover the little spouts that your blast caps are going to attach to. And that's just with 70 or 91% alcohol. I do the lock and lock, and it's not going to spill anywhere as I travel or as we go. And it's going to keep that makeup activated so you don't have to clean it out every time. And actually, my next job, I just rehook them back up, and I start spraying out the color to see what the color was run through in that airbrush last time. And then I know if it was red last time, I just rehook up to the red, and it'll cut back on the amount of times you have to clean out your airbrushes. I do the same thing with my blast caps. I've got a little shorter, fatter lock and lock container here. So I unscrew my blast caps. I might wipe off some of the excess body paint, drop them in there, and I have the alcohol in there just to keep them clean, and that alcohol will last quite a long time until you eventually have to dump it. Then I put the caps back on the body paint or my tattoo ink, and I even have the refills in here. This one is the Orange Phoenix inks, and then I flip it over and lock it again because the heat in Florida or heat wherever you are, a lot of times the inks expand and the bottles might leak. Once you have them all sealed up like this, it doesn't matter where you go. Even if something were to leak, it would be contained right here and not go over the rest of your kit. Thank you so much. Again, I'm Cliff Turner with Phoenix Inks in FabaTV studio. Have a great day.